How to dropship from Shein to Shopify. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I would like to talk about how we will be able to use Shein as a source of products for our dropshipping business model. So our store for today's video is Shopify, which is a really great platform to set up your store because of all of its features. One of its great features is its apps, where we will be able to install all kinds of apps for us, so we can improve our experience and have a great deal of features added to us using the application. Now, we can also check if there is an app for Shein over here, which as you can see, there are multiple plans or multiple apps over here that would allow us to import products from Shein very easily, as you can see here. So if you want to start our Shein dropshipping over here, let's first start with Shopify. So I already give you a quick glimpse of what you need to do, which is of course install an application inside of Shopify App Store, specifically Shein Fashion Dropshipping DS over here, which we will install. There are other methods as well, so if ever none of this application suits your taste or you don't really like how they function, there is other platforms as well, such as AutoDS, which is also a great platform to connect our Shein and Shopify together. In my AutoDS, I already have my Shopify connected to it, and all I need to do is to import by entering the URL link of a specific product of Shein, and I will be able to import it into my Shopify right there and then. Here are some samples that I have imported before, as you can see. This is one of the products that was imported from Shein. It's a nightlight, as you can see. Now going back, let's check out our dropshipping app over here. Simply click on install to install the specific application from our Shopify URL into our Shopify, of course. So over here, as you can see, we have been redirected to another page. So let me dismiss this, skip, and let's see what we need to do. So over here, as you can see, there are some payments for this specific platform or for this specific app, unfortunately. But we could check out their different platforms over here. Let's dismiss this. Let's skip it. So many pop-ups, I guess. Let's go back here. Skip. So I guess it's going to be as the same loop, I guess. But anyway, try and click on our trial over here. So we're going to have a free trial of this app, but we're going to have to pay, as you can see here. You guys can check this out if you want. You can enter your credit card information for you to be able to check out its different features, but I guess I'm going to demo the AutoDS version for now since it's already available for me and I don't need to pay for anything. But anyway, let's actually demonstrate it. First things first, what we need to do is to open Shein, of course. And the next step is to look for products that we would like to sell. Let's look for 1 or 3 products over here. So most of the products in our homepage over here are mostly clothes. So what I want is to look through categories over here and let's see what are available. For example, we have appliances. Let's say I want to view some massage tools and equipment. This could be a great option over here to sell. So I'm going to simply copy the URL link. Going to go to AutoDS and click on Add Products, Single Product, and simply paste it over here just like that. And it will automatically identify that it is a product coming from Shein, as you can see here, from our supplier source. If you're happy with it, simply click on to publish to store, which will begin publishing or importing that specific product into our Shopify store, as you can see. We could do multiple products as well if you want. There's multiple products option over here where we could simply enter all kinds of URL, no matter how many, to be separated by an enter key. So let's demonstrate it. So let's look for products for now. Let's go to electronics. Let's see what's available over here. So we have this product over here. Let's open it in another tab. Currently, it's the #1 bestseller in cameras and photos. Under sports over here, let's check out what we could buy. This one is also a #1 seller right now, as you can see here. Last one, I guess let's go with jewelry and accessories. And let's go with this glasses over here. So, let's select one of the products or one of the glasses. Let's double check. Over here, we have the camera. This one, we have our glasses. Was it duplicated? I guess it was duplicated. And then we have our clothes over here. So let's begin. So let's simply copy. Go to AutoDS, paste, and then type or click enter to start with a new line. Copy another URL, paste, and enter. Copy, paste, and after that, simply click on add as draft. And all of those 3 products that we have just listed will be added on the progress list, as you can see here. You might have to wait for a while for these products to be imported. It depends on your internet speed, the current server of Shein, or the definition or the difficulty of the Shein page itself. Sometimes it takes a while, sometimes it takes like 1 minute to import, but sometimes it takes like 5 minutes. It depends, as you can see, but you can definitely see here that they are currently in progress, and all you need to do is wait. I know it works because I have shown you guys earlier that I already have imported a few of these products over here, as you can see, all coming from AutoDS over here. So I think we could view it over here in the products, as you can see. These are the same products. We have the projector, the cat lamp, the Samsung phone case, as you can see here, the socks, the tumbler, and so on and so forth. So you're just going to have to wait for our importing over here. It's very straightforward and very simple. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.